great open space here. This is fantastic.
So this is the ocean view, the Club Ocean View 1-bedroom master suite.
Wow, okay, that's a mouthful. Club Ocean View 1-bedroom master suite. I love this area though, especially for couples or the parents of the bride, parents of the groom. This is a great living space, especially because when it's a wedding, everybody's getting ready. It's sort of the central hub. People are coming and going. So this is a great space here for even for the grooms and all of the guys to get ready. While the brides are down in the salon, the guys can be getting ready right here. This is fantastic.
As you can see, have a beautiful view to the ocean in this side. This is one of the things that I really like most in this property, that all the rooms, they are facing inside the property or facing to the ocean.
It's a very good point. It's hard to have a bad view at this resort. The room really, I mean, the resort itself is beautiful, and then you have this beautiful beach. So those that do the ocean view, wow, that's quite an ocean, quite a beach.